Dali Company is a professional design and manufacturing company of stainless steel kitchen and bathroom products, established in 2020. We provide overall solutions of kitchen and bathroom products for customers. We manufacture one-piece sinks, welded sinks, and handmade sinks. The sinks produced by Dali Company are made of silicon stainless steel material and are subject to regular material inspections. This is our sink automated production line, which includes an automatic punching line and an automatic surface treatment production line. It has increased our manufacturing efficiency by approximately 50% and saved around 40% of labor costs. Our sink factory covers an area of 22,000 square meters. This is our mold workshop. We have the ability to make molds in-house, which allows us to meet custom requirements while helping customers reduce their mold costs. This is our PVD production workshop, equipped with 4 PVD devices and 2 automatic cleaning lines. We produce PVD sinks and PVD faucets with a monthly production capacity of 10,000 to 15,000 pieces. Our products undergo strict control from material receiving to delivery, including quality inspections on specifications, appearance, function, and packaging. This is our factory warehouse, used for storing finished products and materials. Our factory has passed a series of quality system certifications, such as SGS, BC, SEDEX, and more.